Good morning, this is Zach from Voss Motors. This video is for Lazaro. Just responding to your email in regards to your interest for this 16 Can-Am that we have here. It's very, very clean. Just going to show you a quick little walk around video of the unit in our showroom next to another Can-Am. So this one's got some storage here on the back, some bags, I believe, yeah. So this one is the 16 F3T Can-Am Spyder, 3,100 kilometers, very low miles. We're asking 21,888, and that is all included. The only things that you pay for is taxes and licensing on top of that, but no extra fees. So that's exactly the price that you'll be getting. If you are interested, definitely respond back to the email. And if you have any concerns or questions, just let me know and we'll get through it. Okay, thank you.